DRR EV Pathfinder overview. Okay, so we want you to understand how to use your vehicle, and we're going to talk about it right now. So first, all your vehicles come with 2 sets of keys, 1 ignition key and 1 glove box key. Of course, in order for your vehicle to operate, you're going to have to put the key in the ignition, but there's also an emergency safety stop. So your emergency safety stop has to be pulled up. Currently it was up, it's down, pulled up, and that's how your vehicle is going to entry to your vehicle by lifting the door handle. Exit to your vehicle by pulling that open. Your vehicle is equipped with shoulder harness seat belts. Your seat belts must be in order for the vehicle to operate. Your side mirrors and bolts are in the glove box, along with your instructions for your winch and a little tool bag. Now, in order for your vehicle to operate, you have to pull the safety stop up, turn the key. You'll hear a click, and the dashboard will cycle through its functions. So we're going to talk about a couple of the functions that are here. We have your horn, we have your 4-way flashers, we have your winch in and out, we have your forward and reverse, we have low mode, regular mode or medium mode, and high mode. Low mode you're going to use to pull yourself out of areas where you may be stuck in. It gives it more torque. Medium mode is going to be medium speed, where you're not putting a lot of stress on the vehicle and not pulling anything. And high is just simply high speed, running around without a payload. You have your turn signals here. You have your right turn signal, your left turn signal. So you have your windshield wiper, auxiliary. So for your headlights, these are parking lights, headlights, and you've got your low beam and high beam, and it's indicated on the dash, high beam, low beam. We have your dash mode, 2-wheel, 4-wheel, 4-wheel lock. See, it locks it. You have your battery meter. So we turn our key on. We'll cycle through. It will tell you the warnings. Right now it's in neutral. It's going to give you your warnings as far as battery, temperatures. You can reset you go through a couple different modes. You got RPM mode, you have temperature mode, you have kilometers, miles, and then you can reset it. Ooh. It's 21 Celsius the motor because it's been running. So you have your throttle pedal, your forward, your brake pedal, your emergency brake. Pull it up, push the button, pull it back further, push it down. The vehicle will not move. You have your e-brake on. As we step outside the vehicle, next to the driver's side, here's your dump bed, your up, and your down button. Let's talk about how this back latch works. You pull this here, and unclips, and undo it. You're gonna put it back in. You put the clip over, push, and then this will lock. It says pull right on it. That's how you do it. Pull back, unlatches. Sometimes you have to clip it. I'm going to show you real quick the hitch. There's a receiver and a hitch, and it's really easy to use. It's just a typical hitch and receiver. Okay, so I think that's it. I think that's your first overview of the DRR EV Pathfinder, and make sure that you read your owner's manual for the specifics on setting the dashboard and any other details that we didn't cover in this brief overview. Remember, this is not the alternative to the owner's manual. This is just a brief overview of how the vehicle functions.